Right, here we're making some Greek yogurt and olive oil flatbreads. So first of all, I started by sifting flour and baking powder. Then I've added some Greek yogurt and some olive oil. Then I'm going to mash it up with my hands. I'm adding no extra flour. There's enough here to sort of bind it all together. Then we're going to knead it on the surface to loosen up that gluten for about 5 minutes, like that, into a nice ball, cling film, and then rest for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to lightly flour the surface here. And we're just going to make it a rough, even shape so I can chop it into 6 even portions like I'm doing now. And then we're going to roll those into individual circles and then roll them into, it looks a little bit like a pizza base. So roll those nice and even like that. And then put it into a dry pan, no oil, on a high temperature, and it will start to bubble like that. And when it does, give it a little flip, nice and golden brown. And there you go, you've got a load of lovely, fresh, homemade flatbreads ready for dipping and eating.